Welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to portion the big eye tuna for sushi, sashimi, and for the roll. All the process that we use for the tuna that we already uh, portioned for the previous video. So now we have the one piece of the tuna. So we're gonna cut this edge because this side of the tuna is the muscle. So we have to use this for the roll. So we're gonna scrape it out. Use only the meat. Then we're gonna cut top part for sushi. Second for sashimi, and the left part above the muscle is gonna be the tuna tataki. Okay, let's do it. So before we check all around the tuna, no nothing on it, like a little scale. So maybe we have to cut a little bit. So for the sushi and for sashimi, make sure that all the fish is red, no dry spot, no dry surface. So why? Because is this one compare with the meat or the beef or the steak that if you go to the American restaurant, you wanna prove how quality of the steakhouse or the restaurant, American restaurant, you can taste by their steak dish. So same thing. You go to the Japanese restaurant, so you want to taste how fresh, how good of the restaurant. You can taste by the tuna also. So same process as the beef or the meat that 2 day, 3 day for tuna aging. So same thing. So if like after you aging, so you make sure that you trim out of the dry surface of the tuna, trim it out a little bit. So make sure that all around is nice and red. Okay, we start. Like we said, we're gonna cut the bottom part that are more muscle and more grain. So this line, we're gonna start this line and start curve, follow through the line that you see that it's gonna be the muscle. It's gonna be like this. Again, make sure you're nice sharp. Then we separate the bottom part. So this one, actually we not throw away. It's good. All red meat, just only the muscle that we cannot eat it. So we're gonna use this part for the roll. Use the spoon, scrape out just only the meat. So make sure that only the meat and the muscle is still here. So we we're not gonna use, we're gonna throw it away. So then we serve for the roll, spicy tuna roll, takeout roll, or whatever roll you use. So we're done with this part. So next is gonna be portion for the sushi or sashimi. Like I said, so the top part is the lean part, no muscle, just the meat. This part we call akami. That mean 100% red meat. Okay, before we have to try to find how big or what spot we're gonna cut. So I'm gonna cut this, cut straight from right to left. So this good size for sushi. So we're gonna put in the tray. Again, the top part for sushi, the second part for the sashimi, and the lower part for tataki or for the salad or for something. So we're gonna measure, cut all the way through. So this part, the bottom part, this one for sashimi. So this part we're gonna cut like 3. This one for tuna tataki. So you still see a little bit muscle, but this one after we sear or after we cook outside a little bit, so it can chew. So we're gonna save this for the tuna tataki. Okay, now so for sashimi have to be the nice portion of the meat. So I'm gonna trim this part out. We gonna save it for dish like this, for make the salad dish. Or for the roll if you need. It depends on what you want to use. So this one dice like cube for the salad. Next, cut half. And then we have the nice log square for the sashimi. This one also nice log for the sashimi. And again, it depends on the situation. It depends on what you're gonna use. So you might be run out of the sushi piece. So you have this for sushi also, or you can portion a little bit this, take it out. So have to be like a little bit thin that easy for cut for the sushi in the future. So it depends on you. So now we have the sushi part, sashimi part, and then we're gonna show you how to do the tuna tataki. Now we're gonna do the tuna tataki. So tuna tataki is the sear tuna meat with olive oil, salt and pepper. So we're gonna do olive oil over. We're gonna make sure that all the olive oil cover the meat, and then we do the kosher salt sprinkle. Then we do the black pepper crunch. Then flip over again. Salt. Black pepper. Like tuna, you can do with the nice lean part. Do the tuna steak also. So, but we're gonna use all the part of tuna, even the muscle. So then we're gonna sear tuna by use the torch. So every side of the tuna. Just make sure that the heat is make the muscle is soft by cooking. Okay, so you put it in the ice water to stop cooking, and then just a little bit, and then you take it off. Then you put on the paper towel. So you cannot put and leave the meat under the water for a long time, because the water is going to the tuna. So after this, we're gonna make dry a little bit. So we're gonna do again. So for the traditional way, you have to go to the stove or have to do the charcoal. But this method or this way you can do at your house. But you don't have to have the charcoal, have all the smoke all around your house. So you have the blowtorch. Do this in your house. So or some place that they don't have the charcoal, or the kitchen, like a professional kitchen. So you can do it like this anywhere. You just have all the ingredient, olive oil, salt, pepper, and then you have torch. You make everywhere. So you can see the heat is try to make make the muscle, break a part of the muscle. Make sure it's sear all the surface. After this, again, put in your ice water. Stop cooking. Same like you cooking vegetable. Keep it still fresh, nice color and crunchy. So in the paper towel, dry it. So after this, after dry, we're gonna try some piece. Okay, let's see this piece. So for the tataki, so we know that we use the not 100% lean part. They have a little bit muscle, so we're gonna cut. So see how it look. So you can see the nice piece of the tuna tataki here. You see the grain that go this way. Same thing that you slide the meat. So we're gonna slide across the grain. So we're not gonna do like this because it follow the grain. So the grain is from this way to here. So we're gonna do like this. See this line, we're gonna do like this. So like across the grain. Yeah, we have nice. Okay, there you go. So that means is the piece that we shoot is good. Okay, that is for today. So you know how to cut or portion the tuna for sushi, sashimi, and for tataki, or something else like raw, like salad. So hope this video help you and make you confident that you can do it at home for your family or for your friend or for small party. So you can do like this in your house with your friend. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press thumb up or share to the social media. Thank you very much. See you next clip. Thank you.